Carl Gustav Peter Hempel was a German writer and philosopher. He was a major figure in logical empiricism, a 20th-century movement in the philosophy of science. He is especially well known for his articulation of the deductive-nomological model of scientific explanation, which was considered the standard model of scientific explanation during the 1950s and 1960s. He is also known for the Raven paradox, which highlights the problem of induction. Biography: Hempel studied mathematics, physics and philosophy at the University of Gar-Paragraph-Tingen and subsequently in Berlin and Heidelberg. In Gar-Paragraph-Tingen, he encountered David Hilbert and was impressed by his program attempting to base all mathematics on solid logical foundations derived from a limited number of axioms. After moving to Berlin, Hempel participated in a congress on scientific philosophy in 1929 where he met Rudolf Carnap and became involved in the Berlin Circle of Philosophers associated with the Vienna Circle. In 1934, he received his doctoral degree from the University of Berlin with a dissertation on probability theory. Within a year of completing his doctorate, the increasingly repressive and anti-Semitic Nazi regime in Germany had prompted Hempel to emigrate his wife was of Jewish ancestry to Belgium. In this, he was aided by the scientist Paul Oppenheim, with whom he co-authored the book Der typische Begriffslicht der neuen Logik on typology and logic in 1936. In 1937, Hempel emigrated to the United States, where he accepted a position as Carnap's assistant at the University of Chicago. He later held positions at the City College of New York, Yale University and Princeton University, where he taught alongside Thomas Kuhn and remained until made emeritus in 1973. Between 1974 and 1976, he was an emeritus at the Hebrew University in Jerusalem before becoming university professor of philosophy at the University of Pittsburgh in 1977 and teaching there until 1985. Hempel never embraced the term logical positivism as an accurate description of the Vienna Circle and Berlin Group, preferring to describe those philosophers and himself as logical empiricists. He believed that the term positivism, with its roots in Auguste Comte, invoked a materialist metaphysics that empiricists need not embrace. He regarded Ludwig Wittgenstein as a philosopher with a genius for stating philosophical insights in striking and memorable language, but believed that he made claims that could only be supported by recourse to metaphysics. To Hempel, metaphysics was anathema, involving claims to know things which were not knowable. That is, advancing hypotheses incapable of confirmation or disconfirmation by evidence. In 2005, the city of Oranienburg, Hempel's birthplace, renamed one of its streets Carl Gustav Hempel Straße in his memory. Bibliography. Principal works 1936, Arbeit den Gehalt von Wahrscheinlichkeit zur Sagen, and, with Paul Oppenheim, Der typische Begriffslicht der neuen Logik, 1942, The Function of General Laws in History, 1943, Studies in the Logic of Confirmation, 1959, The Logic of Functional Analysis, 1965, Aspects of Scientific Explanation, 1966, Philosophy of Natural Science, 1967, Scientific Explanation. Essay collections Aspects of Scientific Explanation and Other Essays, ISBN 0-02-914340-3. Selected Philosophical Essays, ISBN 0-521-62475-4. The Philosophy of Carl G. Hempel, Studies in Science, Explanation, and Rationality, ISBN 0-19-512136-8. Articles A Eurocubed on the Nature of Mathematical Truth, A Eurocubed and A Eurocubed Geometry and Empirical Science. See Eurocubed, American Mathematical Monthly, Issue 52. Articles and Readings in Philosophical Analysis, edited by Herbert Feigl and Wilfrid Sellers. See also, Hempel's Dilemma, Raven Paradox, also known as Hempel's Paradox. References. External links, Carl Gustav Hempel at the Internet Encyclopedia of Philosophy. Problems and Changes in the Empiricist Criterion of Meaning by Carl G. Hempel, Obituary by the Princeton University Office of Communications. Carl Gustav Hempel Papers, 1903–1997, ASP. 1999.01 at the Archives of Scientific Philosophy, Special Collections Department, University of Pittsburgh. Obituary in the New York Times. Philosophy Form Military Record.